Hi, in today's video, we're going to show you how to replace a carburetor in an Echo PB-2100 handheld leaf blower. Okay, so here we have our carburetor with a tune-up kit, and it comes with gas lines and a grommet already installed, and comes with carburetor in here and 2 extra primer bulbs, and it also comes with fuel filter, air filter, spark plug, and extra grommet. Okay, so first what we're going to do is install the fuel filters, and here they are. And it's got this little, I don't really know what this thing is, but we already took out the old ones. And we just need to push this in. And now we need this. Joel, what's this tool called?
It's just called a hook.
Yeah, it's just a hook. And you just want to push it, put it up like this, put it in, and then turn it. And reach in there, get out the fuel line, get out the longest one, and it will come with this on, but I took mine off to put it in. Now you just push that back on, push it snug all the way on, and then pull this up, push it in. Now this grommet will take a bit of wiggling and pushing to get in, but there, eventually it should
just pop right in.
Pop in. Okay, we're just taking off the gas tank so that we can put the grommet in easier. Got the grommet in the gas tank, and now we just need to put the gas tank back on. Just install these 2 screws. So we've almost got both of the screws tightened.
And then we're going to put this bad boy on there.
That's right.
And then,
so we've got that tightened.
Listen.
Yeah, you can hear that. And now we just need to find the right gasket. I think yeah. That's it. Okay. So we just gotta install this little gasket. And it goes this way with the primer bulb upside down and the adjusting screws at top. And these here. And so you just want to put that gasket on the back here, and put on your gas lines. And the black one goes to the bent part, and these are pretty easy to get on. And the yellow one, if you have a yellow one, it goes to
if you have a small one.
And you can just hold it up to there while you... Well, first you need to attach back the throttle linkage. Just like that. And it's pretty easy. The throttle linkage just slides right on. Then you line up those holes, put it on. Oops, I dropped it.
There. That's all.
Okay, so we just need to tighten these up evenly. And we install the air filter cover. Okay, Okay, so now we're outside and we've got some starter fluid here. We're gonna see what we can do to test it or to start this up, see if it'll start up. So first, got a brand new carburetor, so we need a lot of primer. You working?
Gas in
Okay. So now we're gonna put the choke on and give it a pull. Choke off. Give it a little gas. Now I'm gonna try starting fluid. So replacing the carburetor fixed that leaf blower, and before it wouldn't start unless you were pushing the gas, and it wouldn't run if you took your hand off the gas, and it just wouldn't rev up very high, but now that's perfect. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.